you how you can make a YouTube thumbnail using paint.net. So, let's get started. First, if you don't have paint.net, you have to download paint.net 4.3.11 version. You know, if you don't have it, then that's okay. You can also, and if you don't want to download it, it's also okay. You can use Paint or something, like Paint, Paint 3D, like that. So let's get started. Now here we are on paint.net. And we can see that this is the YouTube thumbnail. For the background, you have to search up Geometry Dash all levels. Then you have to click on this picture. You can right click and you have to click Save Image As. And after you save it, then you have to click Open. Then it will pop up somewhere in here. Now you have to click that and you'll have to paste it in here. Now, I also want to show you how you make these things, the text boxes. Like I made these text boxes, like Scratch, the door guard. You've never heard of the door guard or the destroyer, right? And Rub, right? Yeah, that's because I made it, and I even have a custom picture over here. Now I'm going to show you how to do that too. Here we are. We have to go to GD text box generator. And you have to go to this website by GD Colin, the YouTuber. I'll post the link to GD Colin's channel in the description. So, this is the website. We can choose our character, like Gatekeeper, Keymaster. We can even do like the faces, like we can do Potbore, and we can change the speaker name to like Kyle, and we can change the box color like orange. You can type anything else. This. Now, here we are. Ta-da! We can also use the UHD font, which only comes up in Steam, or the HD font that only comes up in the real Geometry Dash, like not at Steam, like the Geometry Dashes that are not in Steam. Now I don't use the UHD font, so I'm just going to remove this and click Generate. Ta-da! Now you can right click this, the image, and click Save Image As, or you can copy it too. If you saved it as, then you have to click Open and it will pop up somewhere here too, like this one. So I did that. Now, if you copied it, then you would just have to click Control V. That's it. And like sometimes it's too big. Sometimes a little screen, a little window pops up, and you like, sometimes a little window pops up and it says this image is too big, and there are little options about the canvas. Like the canvas is this whole screen right over here. Now, you can, don't worry if it's transparent or anything like that. Don't worry if it's transparent or white. That's okay. That's a-okay. You don't have to worry about it. Like, look, I have white. Even though I don't have transparent, I still have white. But that's okay for me. Even if it's a thumbnail and people will look at it, it's okay. Okay, so you can use, remember, I'll also post the link of this website from GD Colin in the description. Anyway, you have to go here, search up geometry-all levels, go to the geometry-text box generator, download paint.net, and you're done. You made a thumbnail. That's it. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel named How, and click the bell icon for all notifications, like, and comment. Thanks. Sprishya. How.